Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we will start our new playlist which is HTML, okay? So you might be know what is HTML, but I will explain you what is HTML and why we are using the HTML, okay? So first thing, HTML is our hypertext markup language, okay? And we can say HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. If you want to create a website means any website. Suppose if we will search like any website we can search. Suppose we want to search the tours and travels. So you will get lots of websites here. So that website if you want to create, you can create with the help of your HTML. Suppose this is one website. In this website, what you will get here? You will get all these informations, right? Like a holidays, forex packages, everything you will get here. Even you will get hotels, visa and other services, everything. So like this website, if you want to create your own website, that we can create but with the help of HTML, okay? So we can say with the help of HTML, we can create our own websites, and HTML is very easy to learn. Okay. So, and I hope you will enjoy this playlist. Okay. So now we will see the syntax of your HTML and which platform you will use for your HTML. Okay. So first thing we have various modes if you want to create a HTML program. First thing, we can use our online websites if you want to practice your HTML code, or else we can use our software also. Okay, so we have lots of ways if you want to use anything. So now I will show you, suppose if you want to do in Raplit. So Raplit is the free website. So by using this website, we can create any HTML platform, any HTML project. Okay. So I will give you this link in the description box. You can check this one. So once you will click on raplit.com, you will get the same page. Over here, our first option is we have to click on start coding. Once you will click on start coding, it will ask you either you can create your account or else you can use any one, like you can use your Google or GitHub or Facebook. Suppose if you want to use your Google account, so we can select any account from here, and then automatically it will give you the next step. After that, see, you are a beginner, you are a fresher. So, which option you will select here? Either you can skip or else you can select like a you are expert, you are intermediate, you are beginner, or you don't have any experience. Suppose I want to skip that. Over here also, it will ask you some questions. So again, if you want, you can select yes, let's go, or no, I got this, or else you can skip. Okay. So this is the various options you can select. And I will recommend you the Raplit is very good platform, and this is very user hand, like a, we can say this is very user friendly. Okay. After that, how you will create your new project? Well, here over here you will get your create option. Now here we have a lots of programming languages. You can do your Python project, so you can do your Node.js, C. You can use your HTML, C++, Java, C Sharp. This all we can do here. Okay. Means if you want to do any one of this programming language, you can use your Rapid platform. So we want our HTML, so we have to select the HTML. Then here we have to write our project name. So I want to write project one. Then simple. You need to click on create rep. Okay, so once you will click on create rep, it will give you your project working area where you have to write a code. So suppose I want to cancel this. So this is the platform. Over here you will get all your files, like index.html is the by default file in HTML. We have our JavaScript file, we have our CSS file. So everything we will see one by one. Over here you will get your run button so you can run your project. And once you will run your project, you will get your output here. So here, as you can see, this is our hello world program. This also we will see how you will create this. Okay, so in this video we learn about how you will use your Raplit online platform if you want to do your HTML project. From next video we will see how you will use all these things. What is this? Okay, so we will see one by one. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Now it's your work. You have to create your account in the Raplit. Okay, and once you will come to this step, you can close your laptop, and then after that I will upload the new video also, like how you will use, how you will start your coding part here. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day.